Welcome to this tutorial on Azure Synapse Ingestion from Event Hub. In this guide we will walk through the process of ingesting data from Azure Event Hub into Azure Synapse Analytics. First we need to understand the key concepts involved. Azure Event Hub is a highly scalable event ingestion system that can handle large volumes of data. Azure Synapse Analytics is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. To get started with ingestion, we need to create an Event Hub namespace and an Event Hub. This can be done from the Azure portal by searching for Event Hub and following the creation wizard. Once the Event Hub is created, we need to create a consumer group. Next, we need to create an Azure Synapse workspace. This can also be done from the Azure portal by searching for Synapse Workspace and following the creation wizard. Now we can create a pipeline in Azure Synapse to ingest data from Event Hub. To do this, we need to create a linked service for Event Hub and a dataset for the data we want to ingest. We then create a copy activity in the pipeline that uses the linked service and dataset to ingest the data. It is also important to consider security and authentication when ingesting data from Event Hub. We can use Managed Identity or Service Principal to authenticate the Event Hub linked service. Best practices for ingesting data from Event Hub include using a high throughput unit size to handle large volumes of data and using a checkpoint to keep track of the data that has been ingested. In conclusion, ingesting data from Azure Event Hub into Azure Synapse Analytics is a straightforward process that involves creating an Event Hub and a Synapse workspace and then creating a pipeline to ingest the data. By following these steps and considering security and authentication, we can ensure that our data is ingested efficiently and securely.